Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python for data analysis step by step. First, set up your environment by installing Python and a good IDE, such as VS Code. Next, dive into the core Python syntax, understanding data types like strings and integers, and control flow statements. Dedicate time to practicing these foundational concepts with simple exercises to build a strong base. Once you have the basics down, move on to essential data libraries. NumPy is crucial for numerical operations and handling arrays efficiently. Pandas will become your best friend for data cleaning, transformation, and in-depth analysis. Finally, learn Matplotlib and Seaborn to create compelling data visualizations that communicate your findings clearly and effectively.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. And quick recommendation, staying hydrated is key during those long coding sessions. The Oala water bottle is fantastic for keeping your drinks cold. Check the description below for a link to the Oala bottle and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video.
Now, let's apply these tools to a typical data analysis workflow. Start by practicing how to import and meticulously clean various real-world datasets. Then, perform exploratory data analysis to uncover initial insights and patterns. As you progress, learn to apply statistical methods and even build basic predictive models to extract deeper value from your data. The best way to solidify your learning is through hands-on experience. Begin working on small, personal projects to apply everything you've learned. Consider contributing to open-source projects or participating in online data challenges to gain practical exposure. Most importantly, build a comprehensive portfolio to showcase your data analysis skills and projects to potential employers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.